Hi, I'm Padma here. My son Shravan has been selected for this YuviPep internship program, and he was so happy when he went through that interview and 1 minute video and all. He prepared very well for that. And after that, during the process of this internship discussions and all, he has made good friends, and he also enjoyed the sessions with his friends. And he was into the working of it. Actually, he started working on it. So we felt very good.
No, I also heard about YuviPep from the school itself, and it really it's a unique program in my perspective, because during our school days we never had such an opportunity to learn something by doing by ourselves, especially in the field of advanced technologies which we are now working on, IoT or robotics or any field. We were never exposed on the engineering side of it, or even the market research side of it. But all this exposure definitely adds value to the kids at a very younger age. This helps them to also think how the corporate world works when they get into from the degrees whatever they choose to do to when they enter into the corporate world. Definitely it helps them to prepare themselves, and the confidence that they built during the program really is inspiring to see that a kid of that age can learn so many things thanks to you, Pep.
Thank you very much for the support that Televoice is giving YuviPrep. All of us will acknowledge that the current syllabus in the schools is not probably up to date with the growing times, and these opportunities are what will keep the children motivated to perform well. And one thing COVID has taught us is there is online and offline has completely bridged. I have relatives in Chintamani. I know what sort of a village it used to be, and I was really happy to see a kid from there come here and stand head to toe with each of the children from Bangalore. So I think you're blurring the boundaries, and education definitely should reach every corner of the country so that we can empower our children to do good, right? We always say, what is the world we are living for our children? I think what is the children that we are living for the world is also more important. And thank you again for this. This is very motivational for the children also, right? So thanks again.